Alrighty, Rod, here's your 427 small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. Obviously it's red. It's one of my favorite colors. It's got a custom ground hydraulic roller. Got a set of RS cast heads. First sump oil pan, Moroso. Beautiful polished Borla. Fuel management, Holley Terminator X. Got the March kit. Make sure the alternator functions for you. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 500 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 520, peak horsepower 502. We rated 500. It's got a front end on it, so it really runs good. What we'll do now is pull the pipe back, make sure it's good and clean for you, show you a couple other things. When you see your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over. It's got a QR code. Now take some more tech stuff. Have a great day.